It's not every day that the head of NASA visits your school.
KVRR's Angela Shen tells us what NASA Administrator Jim Bridenstine shared with students at UND.
There's something fascinating about the night sky.
Being able to look up the stars that night is just amazing. Just using my telescope to look at galaxies, planets, just the wonders of space.
Students like Russell were at a town hall to hear Senator Kevin Cramer and NASA Administrator Jim Bridenstine discuss space policy and sustainability.
We can have government agency relationships, we can have government to government relationships, but human to human relationships are still the best.
The two toured a variety of places at UND, including the Mars habitat and the space studies area. The senator and administrator got to see different prototypes for spacesuits. The suit for going to Mars here is a lot lighter than the one for going to the moon because of the difference in gravity.
That's going to be tremendously valuable research for us in the future as we go to the moon for long periods of time and then on to Mars. And that's the agenda.
Bridenstine highlighted his commitment to the Artemis program, which aims to land the first woman and next man on the south side of the moon by 2024. He also emphasized the importance of establishing a space force because of the amount of tools like satellites that Americans have in space. Developing a space force has to be approved by Congress.
The competitors of the United States have declared space the American Achilles heel. Imagine a day without the GPS signal. Without the GPS signal, there is no banking in the United States of America. That's an existential threat to our country.
Exploring space has so many elements, and for Russell, who says he'd love to work for NASA, hearing from the head of the agency was a great opportunity.
It's really amazing that he's here, and especially for a school like us here at UND, we don't really get this opportunity very often.
Angela Shen, KVRR Local News.